Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any folder show up or don't show up in Windows Start menu search list. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open the File Explorer and say let me open this D drive. So say I have tons of folders here, right? So say I have one folder with the name test, right? So let me just click on this Windows Start menu icon and let me try to search this folder test. So now there is no any folder showing up on the start menu list. Let me select this folder option also, so it's not showing up. So in order to make this respective folder show up on this Windows start menu search list, what you need to do is just open the settings and now just click on this privacy and security. Just scroll down below and now you will see here searching Windows option. Just click on it. Now you can see here by default this classic option will be selected, and just below to it you can see customize search location. Just click on it. Now you can see here below modify. Just click on it. Now say I want to make the respective folder with the name test to show up in the start menu search list. So I'll just select it. I'm just selecting it just to give you an example. You can select the entire D drive also, whichever you like. And if you don't want to make the respective folder show up, then just untick it, then it don't show up. So right now I'll just select the test folder and click on OK. You can see here the respective folder has been added, as you can see here. Now you can just close this window and minimize this option. Now let me click on the Windows Start menu icon again and let me try to search for the similar folder name test. So now you can see here test folder is showing up. Even if I click on this folders, the test folder is showing up. So now say I want to make this folder not to show up on the start menu search list, then once again move back to the same option which I've shown you earlier and just click on the customize search location, and now just click on this modify. Now just click on this D drive and just untick this test folder. Click on OK. Now the folder with the name test has been removed again. Now you can close it. You can close this window too. Now let us try to search again. Similar folder name test. Now you can see the respective folder with the name test is not showing up anymore. So by using this method, you can easily make any folder show up or don't show up in Windows Start menu search list very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.